In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure an agent loop scenario for continuous tasks in Hermes Agent. First, open Hermes Agent and start a new session. An agent loop allows Hermes Agent to repeatedly work on a task, review the results, and continue until a goal is achieved. To set this up, create a prompt that clearly defines the objective and instructs the agent to continue iterating until the task is complete. For example, you can ask it to perform ongoing research, monitor updates, analyze data, or refine content through multiple cycles. Next, specify any stopping conditions, such as reaching a certain result, completing a checklist, or gathering enough information. Once you submit the prompt, Hermes Agent will work through the task step by step, using its previous outputs to guide the next actions. This approach is useful for long-running workflows that require multiple rounds of reasoning and execution. And that's it. You've successfully configured an agent loop scenario for continuous tasks in Hermes Agent. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.